What is up, guys? It is Treadman5 here. It's been a while since I've made a video like this, and I wasn't a shiny hunting video. But I got a good reason for this. As you saw in the title, I got a Nintendo Switch Lite. Well, I got it from GameStop, and well, I got the turquoise one. And I was thinking about it. I mostly play my Switch in handheld now most of the time, but also, well, and I'm just like, well, of course that's the thing to the Switch, but I don't know. I also like collecting handheld consoles, so this was definitely an impulse buy, but I justified it by, well, I was anxious the night I bought it, and my friend Alana did not, she did not help me try to fight the feeling. She said she condoned it, and I was like, okay, boom. But this will be used, though, I promise you. This will be my main console. This is definitely going to be my main console. While the Switch is going to lay in its dock, and it's going to be used for recording and stuff, and for games like Pokemon, you know, because doesn't allow save data backup. So, no point. Not transferring to this. I'll just probably start a new save file on this. Anyways, enough babbling. Let's actually get into the unboxing, shall we? Okay, guys, we got a package right here and stuff. Let's, you know, get you with it, whatever. So I wanted, like, of course, I wanted the Switch Lite from the beginning. Well, not from the beginning. It's just I wanted one, but I couldn't really justify it. But, like, you know, with why did I put the knife away? But I couldn't really justify it. I could justify it now because, one, GameStop introduced the QuadPay feature, so I didn't pay this off like fully. Like, I got 4 weeks. I'm paying this off in 4 weeks, like for 4 weeks straight, I should say. So that's how I was able to buy it, by doing QuadPay. And GameStop should not have implemented that because I'm buying a lot of fucking shit that I don't need now. So anyway, there's the Switch Lite. Ooh. It's so pretty, and we got some personal info. Yeah, it's just confirmation of purchase. Look at it. Look at it. Oh. Yes. Yes. Okay. So let's... Yes, brand new. Thank you, GameStop. Glad you put a fucking sticker on it just in case I ever want to resell it. Ooh! Dope. Dope. Oh, shit comes off so easily. Any more stickers? Nope. Good. So let's take it out. And I was going to buy another Nintendo charger because I did buy a charging stand, portable charging stand for my regular Switch. But I was like, but I'm like, okay, don't need that anymore. Definitely don't need that anymore. Ooh. The dock's under there, so let's just get it out. Ooh. And my first experience with one of these was actually at GameStop. Some documentation and stuff. It was during Pokemon Sword and Shield's midnight release. I was with my best friend. There's the charger. And what is it? And so we were in the store a lot, of course. So I was like, okay, let me just try the Switch Lite. I wanted it, but I didn't really need it, so. But after I tried it, I instantly said I needed it, which is not a good sign. I was doomed from the start. But yeah, I knew this would eventually happen. I knew it. I'll figure that out later. Anyways, so let's just open this damn thing. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick jump cut. I'm going to plug this in, and I'm also gonna put the SD card in here too, because I did have a big SD card that I was using. Not importantly, but now I'm gonna use it for this. So, BRB. I'll take the kids to school. We can goodbye. That's what I thought. So. Just say you won't let go. I need to buy one tomorrow. I need to buy one tomorrow. Okay. Let's undo this for now. And there we go. It is plugged in. So it should be booting now. Yep. Turn it up. There we go. Look at that. Ooh, nope. There we go. English. The Americas. I don't ever read that, so if I get fucked by a monkey, so be it. Or a plumber. Or a plumber and a monkey. Okay, time to do a little skip. There we go. It is now linked. I am in the Eastern time zone. So, no. It's probably gonna be like New York Eastern. Ooh, that D-pad feels nice already. Jesus. New York, Toronto. Yeah, basically. Quick new user. We'll do that. Trevor. Link Nintendo account. An update is required. Okay, so I can't really do that right now. I can now link my Nintendo account. No, I can't. So later. Skip. Next. Skip. Setup is complete. And of course, I gotta do what I always have to do first. Thank you, God. Thank fucking God. Oh, thank fucking God. Okay, so. Actually, I'm gonna go back to users. Add user. No. Now where's it gonna go? Nintendo account. Yes, update. And while this is updating, I'm actually gonna go deregister my main Switch, so this can become the main one. Okay. So the main Switch, my old Switch has now been deregistered. I use an email. So now I'm going to skip this too, so y'all don't see my shit. There we go. Of course, enable. And there we go. Everything is here. Now I gotta go to the eShop too, just so I can register the Switch. Nope, we gotta switch this too now. Go skip it. And there we go. What sucks is though I have to use the Google Authenticator app, which means I have to cancel recordings and all that shit. So yeah. But this should now be my primary switch. And again, feeling it. Ooh, this is nice. This is very, very nice. Well, I'm gonna let it charge before I actually do anything with it. You know, I'm gonna give it a full charge before I, start installing updates, and all that shit. So yeah. Well, thank you all for watching that. I hope you did enjoy that video. I am gonna be very happy with this thing. I'm not gonna lie. Just feeling it is just ooh yes. And I'm gonna be syncing one of my pro controllers, well, third-party pro controllers to it. So just in case I need to. But still, I think it's gonna be a great, worth $200. Nintendo usually does make good products, so make sure to like, subscribe, add to your favorites. This is Trainman5 signing off.